Hi everyone, I'm Eric from Edicute and I want to quickly talk about this Zoom update that was just released. Let's talk about what it means to all of us using Zoom right now. So I took a screenshot of the update and this is what it says. It says the release notes and some changes. So for example, they're removing the meeting ID from the title bar. I think this is to combat some of the security issues people have had with Zoom bombing. They're also moving the invite button to participants. Maybe the invite button is unnecessary. Some new and enhanced features. They're adding a security button in the host meeting toolbar. And also some minor bug fixes. Let's quickly take a look at what it looks like in Zoom. Okay, so I'm in Zoom for the first time and we can see here it says security instead of invites. And then you can lock the meeting, which means that nobody can enter. You can enable the waiting room, which I have. So once someone new comes in, they have to wait there first. You've got share screen that you can allow people to do or you can not do. You've got chat, so you can enable them to chat or you can put that off, and also you can allow them to rename themselves. So a lot of people can stay anonymous or they can change their names. Okay, so here we've got manage participants and you can see there's me and then the invite button is over here and it works exactly the same. Okay, yeah, they've had a lot of new features for Zoom. I mean, with millions of people using Zoom now, there will be some problems. And Zoom is trying to figure it out. One of the things that a lot of you might have noticed is that in chat you can send a file, and I see that they brought this back. Okay, everyone, very interesting news. I hope this helps you, and happy Zooming.